Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week and ready for a cracking fabulous weekend. So excited for today, Friday freebie. Free printable you can download on my Facebook group and also on my newsletter and on my website too. Keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Today the freebie free printable is this one here. Ta-da! Is a gorgeous background when you got a lovely bird and these beautiful large flowers. I'm horticultural challenged so I have absolutely no ideas when it comes to name of flowers or plants whatsoever, so pass. I absolutely no idea what these flowers are called. If you know, leave us a comment down below for everybody to know. So let me show you what this kit has been designed from, this page, sorry. So the kit I have used is called the Sweet Garden. It's a digital kit full of birds at 7 pages and it's full of background, there's tags and there's a gift box. And as you guys know, throughout April everything on my website is 30% off because in April is my birthday, my website birthday, and also my business birthday. So we got 3 big birthdays throughout the month. So from the 1st to the 30th I'm offering 30% off. So if you guys want to purchase this, there is a code which is BDAY30 and I will put on the screen, but I'll show you everything in a minute. So let me show you the kit. So 7 pages, we got background full of lovely birds. Oh, I love that. It's one of my favorite page. And then you got a milk carton box, which is this one here. So when you do it up, it's like this. Okay, so I printed off on a big cardstock. Okay, I have used one of my old Stampin' Up paper. So basically those 4 squares are those, and I just put some sequins on the front, and then those 2 basically, the 2 tabs are the base of the box, and the 2 triangles are where the fold. Okay, so it's a traditional milk carton. It's 2.5 by 2.5 by 2.5. Okay, and then this rectangle on the front is where you put your peg. You can glue it, you don't have to put your peg, but I like people to reuse it if they wanted to. There is a page with another background, tags full of birds and parrots, and then there is another background at the end. Okay, so this freebie, as per usual, I send out at 9 p.m. every Friday a newsletter. I don't know how much you guys love my newsletter, and I put a lovely comment on the screen. I share it every Friday because I get tons of messages regarding my newsletter. So get sent at 9 p.m. every Friday. I will put it on the screen what it looks like. There is a recap of the week, there's kit of the week, etc. So lots of information. There's a cheeky discount code as well, so lots of information. But also, because you probably missed the newsletter by the time you watch this video, if it's the first time you watch this video, I got a selection of freebies. I think it's about 200, over 300 I guess, on my Facebook group. Okay, so if you click on my Facebook group, once you're in, you just click on files. I'll show you on the screen now. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group. So once you're in, you scroll down, so you see all the posts from the lovely crafters. So this is post from Wendy that made a folio using some of my papers. That's my post about the Easter kit. Again, there's loads of creators that, oh, this is Julia, that she recently joined my VIP membership. Thank you, Julia. Again, all other crafters, they share the video tutorials, and of course all my freebie. Okay, so it's a very interactive platform. I really recommend, if you guys are on Facebook, to join us because you get tons and tons of ideas. So where do you find your my freebie? So if you click on files there, you see all the freebies that I have shared in date order. Okay, so from the most recent to the most old ones, and there is about 3 years worth of freebies. So come and join us there, and what you do is simply click in there and then download. Okay, so you know where to get the freebie on my Facebook group. And just a reminder about the 30% off, so please go and treat yourself. We are halfway through the month, towards the end. So I will show you in just a sec what you get with a 30% off.
Okay, so this is my website. Don't forget that you can use the 30% code across my fine art pieces. So my fine art pieces gets shipped to you. They are printed. Those two are A5 in a watercolor paper, and this is on an A4 watercolor paper. They get print out and shipped to your home address, free delivery. Okay, so you will have 30% discount on those as well. You also get 30% discount on my ebook. It's called The Artful Chaos or Imagined Memories, a guide to beautiful junk journals, and of course my book Blattified junk journals workshop, that you get the papers and the video tutorials, and of course all my digital papers are 30% off using the code.
Okay, as per usual guys, all links are listed in the info bar just down below, so click here, you get everything that you need to know. Okay guys, happy shopping, and I will see you on Monday for another fabulous video. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really big huge thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube. Just a reminder guys, that on April, throughout the full month, from the 1st of April to the 31st or 30th, I think it's 30th, I have a sale on my website, because April is the month of my birthday, it's the month of my channel's birthday, and also it's the month of my business birthday. So I've got 3 big birthdays throughout the full month, so it's a way for me to say thank you to every single one of you. So yeah, just go to my website and have a look and treat yourself. I will put another video here on the screen guys, so if you wish to carry on watching for more ideas and inspiration, please feel free to do so, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.